everyone, welcome to CS Talks and I welcome you all to this video on internals of GCC. That is, we are going to learn about what happens when we compile and run a program. In this video, I will be covering preprocessor, compiler, assembler, linker, and I will show you some examples for each of one. Let's start with language processing system. What happens when we compile a program using the following command? The input file will be given to the language processing system and it will give an executable file as an output, which can be understandable by the computer. In this language processing system, there are 4 entities involved: preprocessor, compiler, assembler, and linker. Initially, the input file will be taken by the preprocessor and it will perform 3 main tasks. The first one is removing commands. The next one is file inclusion. Using #include directive, we can instruct the preprocessor to include the contents of the specified files. This #include directive can be used in 2 ways. If we want to include a file from the standard library, then we can use angle bracket. Or if we want to include our own header file, then we can use double quotes. The third task of the preprocessor is macro expansion. Generally, the macros are used to define the constant values which are repeatedly used in our program. Okay? Now, the compiler will take that preprocessed file and translate it into assembly code. Then, the assembler will take that assembly code and translate it into machine code. The resulting file is called as object file. This object file is just a binary representation of our program. The final phase of the language processing system is linker. The linker will take all the object files and combines them into one executable file. We can see the preprocessed output using the following command. This is the output that I have got for my program. Using the following command, we can see the assembly code. This is the assembly level output for my program. I will show you a separate example for linker. I have created a function to calculate the area of the rectangle in area.c and I put that function declaration in area.h. Now the cstalks.c will call that function by including the area.h. When we compile these files, the assembler will give 2 object files. One is for cstalks.c and the other one is for area.c. Now the linker will take these 2 object files and combines them into single executable file. I hope this video is helpful, and if you have any queries, please comment it below and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.